Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to discuss about uh, database connectivity. In our previous lessons we discussed about files and how we are going to handle file using Python, like reading, writing, overriding, deleting folder files, everything. Okay, so let's get started with the different databases. Okay, so in this particular tutorial, what we are going to discuss, the first thing, we are going to establish a connection between Python and database. From the database perspective, we are going to use two different kind of databases. One is MySQL and another one is Oracle database. Okay, so the first thing we are going to discuss how to set up MySQL database and how we are going to establish a connection to the MySQL database, and let's perform a CRUD operation with some of the tables. Okay, let's get started with the setup MySQL database. So let's open a browser and just keep one thing in your mind. For MySQL database, I'm going to use the Xampp, which people will use for PHP, but I'm going to install Xampp and I'm using the MySQL database alone. Okay, so just go to browser and type Xampp download for Windows. So here you'll have the link to download the version. Okay, so whether you want to download 32-bit or 64-bit, everything is available here. Okay, so what we are going to do, Xampp Windows 7. Okay, we can use 32-bit itself. Okay, so I'm going to download this package. Let's click and save it. Go to software development and save it. Okay, the download completed, and this is our installer file. Okay, just right click and open. I'm gonna show you how you're going to install Xampp. Just click run. Wait for a while. It will take a minute. This is our installation launcher. So what basically you need to do is you don't have to do much things here. Just click next and don't change any options here. It's by default options. Okay, and click next and select a folder. See Xampp and next. The reason why it's showing error message, I already installed Xampp server in my machine. Okay, so let's try another folder or one. Next and next. So when you click next, it will start installing the process. So the installation is completed. Just go to your start and search for Xampp. You can find the Xampp control panel over there. Just click on it and it will launch the control panel. So basically you just need to start the Apache server and MySQL. MySQL for database and Apache for the localhost server. Okay, server is started. So how to view the database? Simple thing, just go to your browser and type localhost. You can see the Apache homepage. So here you can click the phpMyAdmin, which is nothing but our database interface. Okay, let's wait for a while. Okay, so this is our phpMySQL database interface. Okay, so you can create a database here. Go to database and create a database name like test database, test 123, and create. And if you want to create a table, you just need to create the table name, for example student, and the number of columns for, oh, that's fine, go. And you can provide the names here, ID, name, email, and address, and you can choose a type here. So name is varchar and email is also varchar and address also varchar, and I'll put auto increment for primary key. Go. Okay. So now click save. Enter valid length. You need to provide the length here. Okay. 25, 50, and 75. Save. See, that's all. We created a database and we created a table as well. Okay. Anyway, for coding purpose, I'm not going to use this particular database because I have already created another database called the programming guy, and there we have a table called person. Okay. Here we already have few entries are available. Let's delete all of them. Delete from persons. Go. Yes. So now if you go to the table, you won't find any data. It's empty now. Okay. So let's stop here. Make sure you'll have the MySQL installed in your machine and it's up and running, and we are able to create the database or also the table. If you are stuck here, just do let me know. I can help you to configure the MySQL database and the Apache server. Okay, let's see each other next video. We'll start with the coding. Thank you.